From towering urban skyscrapers to massive offshore energy fields, the world's most ambitious projects demand impossible strength. Get ready to meet the ultimate titans of mechanical engineering. These are the absolute heaviest lifters on Earth. The Cerens SGC-250 is not a tower crane in the conventional sense. It is a ring crane, a machine that operates on a circular rail track and builds from the outside in, rather than climbing through the structure it erects. Developed by Belgian heavy lift specialist Cerens, the SGC-250 carries a maximum load of 3,200 metric tons, a number that places it in a category shared by almost nothing else on land. It was built specifically for the offshore energy sector, assembling jacket foundations, topsides, and gravity-based structures that exceed the capacity of any conventional crane by an order of magnitude. The ring rail system distributes the enormous ground loads across a large footprint, making deployment on prepared pads feasible without the specialized foundations a fixed-base crane of this capacity would require. At over 35 million euros, it is deployed by the lift, not by the project. At a tip height of over 80 meters and a maximum load capacity of 125 metric tons, the Liebherr 1000E CB 125 Litronic is not merely a crane, it is the vertical backbone of the world's most demanding construction sites. Its flat-top design eliminates the cathead entirely, allowing multiple cranes to work in overlapping airspace without collision risk, a capability that transforms dense urban job sites from logistical puzzles into coordinated machines. The Litronic control system manages every lift with electronic precision, automatically compensating for load swing and wind loading that would destabilize lesser equipment. Fuel consumption per ton lifted drops sharply compared to previous generations through variable speed hoist drives that draw power only when the load demands it. Where skyscrapers rise and schedules do not move, this crane arrives already at the answer. Austrian manufacturer Moritz built the Mk115 for the alpine construction environment, mountain tunnels, hydroelectric infrastructure, and high-altitude civil engineering, where conventional tower cranes cannot be erected. The luffing jib design allows operation in wind conditions and spatial constraints that would ground a fixed jib machine before the first shift, while the compact mast base accommodates the narrow foundations available on mountain construction sites. With a maximum load of 12 metric tons and a hook height configurable for extreme elevation applications, the Mk115 operates where the project has no other option. The cold weather hydraulic specification ensures reliable performance at temperatures that cause standard hydraulic circuits to lose responsiveness, a critical requirement when weather windows are short and construction schedules are fixed. When a job demands fast deployment and uncompromising lifting power, fleet operators roll out the Liebherr LTM 1055.3.3. This three-axle all-terrain powerhouse is the ultimate tactical weapon for urban construction and industrial maintenance. Boasting a maximum lifting capacity of 55 metric tons, it packs serious muscle into a highly compact footprint. Its multi-section telescopic boom extends up to 40 meters with incredible speed, utilizing automated locking systems to secure the load. But its true genius is mobility. Thanks to its active, speed-dependent rear-axle steering and hydro-pneumatic suspension, it navigates tight city corners and rugged off-road terrain with effortless agility. The Liebherr LTM 1055. Set up fast, lift heavy, move on. The Potane MCH-125 was engineered to solve one of the most demanding challenges in modern urban construction, lifting heavy loads in tight spaces where overhead clearance is limited and multiple cranes must operate without conflict. As Potane's first topless hydraulic luffing jib tower crane, it eliminates the traditional tower head. Raimondi has manufactured tower cranes in Italy since 1863, and the MRT-294 luffing jib crane reflects over 160 years of engineering refinement in a machine built for urban high-rise construction, where every degree of slew radius matters. With a maximum jib length of 50 meters and a maximum load capacity of 18 metric tons, the MRT-294 operates with a jib angle range that allows the operator to clear adjacent buildings, power lines, and restricted airspace zones that fixed jib cranes cannot navigate. The variable speed hoist delivers smooth load control at all heights, critical when placing precast concrete panels and structural steel members at elevation in wind-exposed conditions. Raimondi's anti-collision system integrates directly with site management software, providing real-time spatial awareness in multi-crane environments. Italian engineering precision, operating where space is the rarest resource on the job. The M2480D is the crane built for projects that rise beyond the limits of conventional lifting. With a maximum hook height exceeding 200 meters in tied-in configuration and a lifting capacity of 25 metric tons, it was purpose-engineered for super-tall construction, and standard tower cranes begin to reach their structural limits. Designed by Favel Favco, the M2480D features a self-climbing system that allows it to elevate itself floor by floor without external assistance, keeping pace with the tower's vertical growth without disrupting the construction schedule. Its high-speed hoisting system minimizes lift cycle delays at extreme heights, where every minute saved translates into major gains in efficiency. Engineered for precision, endurance, and unmatched elevation performance, the M2480D is often the crane of choice for the landmark skyscrapers that define modern city skylines. For the contractor who needs serious lifting capacity at serious height, without the assembly complexity that turns large tower cranes into multi-day mobilization events. With a maximum load capacity of 25 metric tons and a hook height achievable beyond 70 meters, the CTT 56125 covers high-rise residential, commercial towers, and bridge deck construction with a flat-top configuration that simplifies luffing and crane interaction management on congested sites. The frequency-controlled drives on the hoist, slew, and trolley mechanisms allow the operator to deliver loads with a precision that reduces settlement time and accelerates the build cycle measurably. Wolfkran has built tower cranes in Germany since 1854, and the Wolf Tower 700B carries that heritage into a machine engineered for the tallest and most complex freestanding applications in modern construction. With a maximum load of 70 metric tons and a hook height achievable beyond 100 meters in freestanding configuration, the 700B is deployed on projects where building height itself becomes the primary engineering constraint. The tower system is designed for rapid bolt connection assembly, reducing erection time without compromising the structural integrity that sustained high-altitude operation demands. Wolfkran's effective load moment system monitors the crane's structural load in real time, intervening before operator inputs can push the machine beyond its safe operating envelope. Precision, height, and 170 years of engineering resolve combined in a single machine. The Comansa 21LC 1050 carries a maximum load capacity of 50 metric tons and a jib radius of up to 80 meters, placing it firmly in the category of cranes that define what is possible on a large infrastructure project rather than simply responding to it. Comansa's Optima frequency drive system controls hoist acceleration and deceleration, with a smoothness that reduces load oscillation during high-speed lifts, protecting both the load and the structure it is being placed into, giving contractors flexibility across project phases without remobilization costs. XCMG announced its arrival in the elite tower crane segment, not with a press release, but with the XGT160075S, a machine that immediately challenged the established Western manufacturers on their own terms. With a maximum lifting capacity of 75 metric tons and a jib radius extending to 100 meters, the XGT1600 was engineered for China's mega infrastructure program and the overseas construction markets, where Chinese contractors now operate at scale. The intelligent load moment control system continuously calculates safe working loads across the full radius range, automatically adjusting hoist speed to prevent overload conditions without requiring operator intervention. The Linden Comansa LCL310 was built specifically for the luffing jib market, the sector of tower crane operation where confined urban airspace makes a horizontal jib physically impossible to operate, with a maximum load of 18 metric tons and a luffing jib that raises and lowers its angle, rather than swinging a fixed horizontal boom. The LCL310 operates in building gaps, over existing structures, and within site boundaries that would ground any conventional crane before the first lift. The frequency-controlled drives deliver the same precision and energy efficiency that Linden Comansa applies across its entire range, ensuring that the operational compromise of a luffing configuration does not become a productivity compromise on site, where the city has already run out of sky. The LCL310 finds the space that remains and works it completely. Zoomlion's mobile cranes are built for one purpose: to bring heavy lifting power wherever the project demands it. Designed to combine mobility, strength, and precision, these machines can travel directly to the job site and be deployed rapidly, eliminating the delays associated with fixed lifting systems. With lifting capacities ranging from compact urban duty cranes to massive all-terrain giants capable of handling hundreds of tons, Zoomlion mobile cranes serve everything from bridge construction and wind energy projects to petrochemical plants and high-rise developments. Advanced telescopic boom systems provide exceptional reach, while intelligent control technology ensures precise load placement and real-time stability monitoring during every lift. Engineered with structural designs tested across thousands of load scenarios, these cranes are built to withstand the relentless demands of continuous heavy-duty operation. Backed by Zoomlion's global service network spanning more than 100 countries, they represent the growing force of Chinese engineering on the world stage. When the job demands power without sacrificing mobility, Zoomlion mobile cranes are already on site. Meet the undisputed titan of mega construction, the SANY SCC 40000A crawler crane. With a mind-blowing lifting capacity of 4,000 tons, this double-boom colossus is engineered to redefine what's humanly possible. From nuclear power domes to massive offshore wind components, its twin-boom design delivers unmatched stability where precision matters most. But giant strength doesn't mean rigid design. Thanks to intelligent control systems and modular engineering, this behemoth moves and adapts with absolute precision. The SANY SCC 40000A. When the world builds bigger, SANY lifts heavier. When wind turbine heights soar and ground space disappears, the industry turns to a specialized giant, the Danish-engineered Kriel K760L luffing boom tower crane. Built specifically to conquer the logistics of wind farm erection and tight industrial sites, this heavy lifter boasts a massive maximum capacity of 95 metric tons. Unlike massive crawler cranes that require vast clearings, the K760L ascends as a freestanding tower, reaching hook heights up to 155 meters without needing tie-ins to the turbine structure. It thrives in brutal conditions, operating under full load in winds up to 15 meters per second, when restricted access demands extreme vertical reach. The Kriel K760L rises to the challenge. Behind the scenes of the world's most demanding production floors, efficiency moves on a different axis. Welcome to the world of JASO industrial cranes. From standard overhead bridge systems to massive custom-engineered process gantries, JASO builds the lifting infrastructure that keeps global manufacturing alive. Engineered in Europe to endure the brutal cycles of steel mills, automotive lines, and heavy logistics, these machines are defined by intelligent automation and rugged dependability. They don't just lift materials, they optimize workflow using precision variable frequency drives and digital control systems to move hundreds of tons with millimeter accuracy.